Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have confetti collections. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my confetti collections box just arrived. This is a bi-monthly box. So this would be for January/February, I'm going to assume. And this one I did buy a complete year, so that would be 6 full boxes because it is bi-monthly. And let's go ahead and get in here. Let's see what they have. Now they did start going to the smaller box, which I do appreciate because the bigger box was just a little too much packaging. So I'm sure they spent way too much for shipping. So this is their new, more compact, still big, but compact box. So when you open it up, it's always wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap. They do take very good care of packaging their box, and then everything is down inside of a little package. Oh, normally it seems like it's pretty big. And then all of this right here, they put in a whole lot of this like packing material. This is very good to keep if you do gift baskets or gift bags or anything like that. So I also do keep this because if I do send out giveaways, I put stuff in there to kind of help protect it and make it look a little prettier. So I always repurpose this. So if you do get this box, don't throw this away. I mean, you can, but I would suggest repurposing all of this. And it's not just the white, they have in these little iridescent ones too. So they're very cute. All right, so this is this bi-monthly package. Again, it always seems like it's a little bit bigger, but let's go ahead and see what we have. Bead a necklace, update your laces, embellish a sweater. For more ideas, check out their website. So there's this little card that's put in here. So I guess we're gonna have some of this ribbon inside. And then, all right. Now that I've removed everything from the plastic and everything is now easily accessible, the first thing that I'm pulling out, there were 2 cards. Both of these are from X&O Paper Goods. This one says sunny skies ahead, and on the inside it says sending sunshine your way. And it does say that it says one enamel pin. So this should be an enamel pin. That's like her glasses, the little heart. So there's that. And then this one says you're so sweet, and it has the pin as well. That's on top of the ice cream. And this one on the inside says, thanks for being awesome. I do like getting cards like this because if you ever want to send somebody a little note or anything, I go through my little stash that I get in boxes and they have me covered. So I do like getting cards like this, especially where they're not a theme or a specific holiday. This is something that can be sent for just even a I'm thinking of you kind of card. So I do like that. So there's the first items. The second item is a phone charging stand, Cellmate by C.R. Gibson. It says, be strong, I whispered to my Wi-Fi signal. Stay organized and look stylish by doing so. Your Cellmate functions as a place to hold your phone as it charges, as well as a place to prop your phone horizontally or vertically while watching your favorite movies or listening to music. I don't think I would put my phone on a stand. Plus I can't put one on it when I'm charging it because I have a wireless charger, but apparently that's what it looks like. And it looks like there's just like the little wooden thing down here that you just stick on it. I don't know, I'm thrown off by this product. I know I'm not going to use it, so I guess I'll stick this in a future giveaway and hopefully who it goes to, somebody would be able to use it. So there's item number 2, which I'm confused with that one. Okay, so then now we have something that says Touchstone, little touches of inspiration. And it says laugh. You guys know, I love to laugh. And this is by C.R. Gibson as well. And it says Touchstones, laugh. I don't know what the purpose of this is other than, I don't know what the purpose of this would be. It's just like a ceramic stone. So I don't know what the purpose of touching it would be, but we have a stone that says laugh that I guess you're supposed to touch. I don't know. So then this is a little pouch. It says shop #abuse. I don't know how I feel about the word abuse being on something. I understand it's shop #abuse, but there's a lot of people that have been abused, and I don't think the word abused should be on a product to remind somebody if that was the case. I don't like the fact that the word is on there. But this is by C.R. Gibson, and what even is this? It says a cord pouch. So I guess you open this up and you can drop your cords in to keep them from getting unraveled. It could have just said cord mate. I don't know. But the top has like that little thin metal that reminds me of those little slapsticks that wrap around your wrist when you're a kid. That's what feels like, that's kind of like in there to kind of keep it closed. But I don't know how to feel about this product. I don't know how to feel about that product. Okay, so the next is an adjustable koozie, C.R. Gibson. And it looks like it's one of those things just for like these water bottles. I wouldn't put this on my water bottle. I barely even use my water bottle like this, and I have a few of them that I never use. But I'm not sure if I have a bottle like this in my giveaway section. If I do, I'll set it with it. If I don't, I'll just put it in my giveaway section because I know I'm not going to use it. But this is by C.R. Gibson, and it's blue and gold, and it's adjustable. So there's that. Then there was these 2 things of ribbon. I guess this is what it was talking about for you to use like for your shoelaces or for a belt or something like that. Here's the colors. I just feel like this, I'm sorry, but I'm always gonna be honest with you guys. This is like the cheapest ribbon that you can get. There's not even wire in them. And from coming from actually being in the floral industry, I only use wired ribbon. I don't use just regular satin ribbon without wire in the sides. And it's not even that much on the spool. Like there's barely any ribbon on the spool. The last item is this keychain. It says, yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. This I actually think is the cutest thing in this entire box. I'm going to send this to my friend who loves mermaids. I think probably a little bit more than I do. But I think she would really like that. But it's very, very cute. And I know my friend loves mermaids. So I'm going to go ahead and just send this to my friend. So basically the only thing I'm keeping out of this entire box is those 2 cards for an just in case I need a card to send to somebody. Again, is bi-monthly, and it's $19.99 per month with $5 shipping and handling. If you already are subscribed, then this is the box that you're gonna get. But if you have never subscribed and you were thinking of subscribing, I don't think this is the box to jump on board, because me personally, I don't really care for these items that came in this box this month. Again, I do pay for this myself, but no matter if I get a box sent to me for review or if I pay for it, I'm always going to bring my real honest opinion to you guys and tell you what I see and what I feel. And I feel that they could have really done an amazing box this time because of January and February, first of the year, Valentine's Day. They could have really did an amazing box, and they didn't do that. For me anyway. If you have a different opinion, by all means, that's great. We're all different. We all have our own opinions. But I don't think this was a good box, and I'm just being completely honest with you guys. I've never been this disappointed in one of their boxes, so this is kind of throwing me off. I'm sorry, Confetti Collections. Normally I really do enjoy your boxes, but this month I don't, and that's just my own opinion. So let's hope that the next box is good. I don't remember how many boxes I've done so far, because I did sign up for a complete year when I first signed up. So that would be 6 full boxes. I don't remember how many I've done so far. I know I've done at least 4. So this is probably my 5th, or this might even be my 6th box now. I don't know. But there we have it. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Again, your opinions are going to be different than mine, or they could be exactly the same. But I'm not going to lie and tell you guys this was an amazing box and these are great items, because to me, they're not. So comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, just like I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.